as far as the results of the 5 states which have recently taken place, you have to say on that?
Elections are a people's mandate, and people's mandate tells about where things have gone wrong. So based on the results, I think it's time for BJP to get into corrective mode, do corrections on mistakes if there have been happening in the past. We have to ensure that pulse of the people is known, and the pulse of the people is always known by the elected representatives more than the bureaucrats. So that is why we always say की जे गोष्टी आमकां दिसता सरकारान प्रॉमिस करप पयलीं आमकां मनोहर भाई continuously active आशिल्ल्यान it was being done in a much faster manner and we could move things very swiftly. Now things have slowed down because files remain with the bureaucrats who have questions to the vision of the government. So I think this type of things later turn out to be inefficiency of a capable government who could deliver. But these are not excuses where people are in a mood to take. So I think corrective measures are required. We need to ensure that whatever corrections are required in the state where things may have gone wrong or people think have gone wrong need to be corrected at the earliest so that we are able to deliver as per the expectations of the people. आणि अशी mandate जेन्ना देशभर येता 5 स्टेटाची regional parties are the flavor is something which you can see. So I think a lot of trend moving towards Telangana giving TRS, Mizoram giving MNF are answers to people's requirement. It is slowly the country is moving into regional politics state-wise. So very clearly a message is going that the regional sentiments are understood by regional parties. So then we need to understand that this is the way the states are taking thought process ahead. We have to be very clear that हे जे विचार लोकांचे आसात have to be taken positively.